In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways you can advertise your business for free. Let's roll that intro. The 4th way to survive a recession as a designer is to advertise your business for $0. MySpace, Facebook, and LinkedIn are free networking vehicles to increase your visibility. Even though some of these sites cater more toward youthful socializing, you can still create a page with a portfolio and a list of skills and services that you provide. Also, take time once a week to invite people to become friends and update them on any new projects you may be working on. The hot new free tool for networking, marketing, or microblogging is Twitter. Here's some Twitter tips. Here, you are able to write current updates on your profile page and have people follow your entries or tweets. You can use Twitter to market yourself by writing about current projects, design awards, or a new promotion. The marketing opportunities are limitless with Twitter, except you'll need to get to the point faster. Twitter limits the word count to 140 words. You can also create a video of your portfolio and upload it to YouTube, which BDesign has done. I'll link it to the description down below if you need some idea of where to start. Or be a little more innovative, like Tea Webster, who took viral marketing to another level by creating an original video called Original Design Gangsta. Which is very creative, not to mention very funny. The video ends with his website address, which helps drive traffic to his website. Another way to promote yourself or your business for free is sending out a press release. While there are many sites that charge, there are also a number of them that offer the service at no charge. If you recently won a design award of landing a new account, you should create a press release and post it on your website. Also, send it to design magazines and send it to free PR sites like PR.com. Even though these sites offer premium services, they still offer free posting that are often picked up by Google News. Additionally, when you do pro bono work, it's actually a win-win situation for you, as well as the non-profit organization you are servicing. Besides being a tax write-off, it can also be a great way to advertise your design services to others. You can ask to include your website on the materials you created and have a link on their website. Being published in a design book is another way you can garner recognition and exposure. Publishing houses such as Rockport Publications or Crescent Hill Books are always looking for material to include in their latest book. The wonderful thing about their call for entries is they're usually free. You should check their websites regularly and enter your work. And that was part 4, the 5-part series on the designer's guide on how to survive in the middle of a recession. If you want to see part 5, then tap the screen right there. If you want to see how BDesign designs their ads, then tap the screen right there. And we'll see you next week. Bye.